Okay, we're gonna do a little bit of math here with proportions and mean, median, and mode. So we're gonna start out, we got a bunch of cubes. Everybody's got a pile of cubes in front of them, and they're not touching the cubes. What we're gonna do is see if we can assemble these cubes into a chain where they're all locked together and see how many we can put together in 10 seconds. Is everybody ready?
Yes.
Okay, on your mark, get set, go. Stop, hands off. Okay, now you dropped it, you can put those back on. They were together, I saw that. All right, now don't touch the cubes anymore. Let's separate all the ones that are put together from the ones that are not put together. Okay, so what we've got everybody made different numbers. So there's a group of 8, 10, 7, 10, can't see, 10, and 7. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna list those. So I'm gonna start with the smaller ones. Oops, that was 7. 7, is there another 7?
Yes.
Let's get it right up here. Yep, that looks good. 7, what else do we have? Do we have an 8?
Yeah. Right here.
Let's get the 8 right there. Ocho, okay. Any more 8s?
Yeah, no.
9s?
No.
R.
10s?
Yep.
Okay, so let's get all the 10s here. We got a 10, we got a 10, we got a 10. Okay, so we got a bunch. So if we're trying to figure out the mode, what happens the most?
10.
10. There's
3 10.
There's 3 10s. That's the most popular score. So mode equals 10. Okay, median, that's where we go and we find the middle.
7.
So if I go up 3 here, I got 8. If I go down 3,
9.
it looks like right here. Does that make sense? What's in between 8 and 10?
9.
9 is the median. Good. All right, so the last thing to do is to find the mean. So what we have to do is add up all these blocks and then divide by the number, which is 6. So we would have to total this up. Do you guys have a number for this? Looks like we got 30.
38.
What's
44. 40.
51.
check this out.
51.
30, right?
Yep.
What's 8 and 7? Say 15.
15.
So 15 plus 30 is 45.
52.
52. I'm getting 52 for a total. And we're going to divide that by what?
6.
6.
By 6. Okay, we're going to do it mechanically first. So we're going to put these all end to end. Okay, so we've put all the cubes end to end, and we made this big, long train. We've added up all the scores. So we could do it like this, but we could do it mechanically. So we look at that, and what we're going to do is break this up into 6 equal pieces. See, here's how we're going to do it. We're going to find the middle. 6 is an even number, right? So we're going to break this into 3 pieces. So we'll break that, put 2 marks in there and 2 marks up here. What do you think, right about here?
Yeah.
Here and here, how's that looking?
Yep.
Those look about even. Maybe I should move this one. Maybe here?
Yeah.
Kind of close. All right. So we got to get this into right about here. What do you think? Okay. So what we're going to do is change those into each of those chunks. We're going to see how many are in each of those chunks. So inside of each one of these chunks, put those together. But when you do, make it look like this. It looks like we've got those. When you break them apart, let's put them in icons, you see? So you can see how big it is. Hard to do this while I'm looking through the camera.
Here, I can help.
Yeah, can you do it over there? Do it with yours. So each of these chunks, see how it looks like 8?
How many each one?
All right, so we're going to put that in place like right here. You see what I mean? Okay, so we divided each of those segments, those 6 segments, into groups and tried to make them equal as best we can. That's what division is. So this one's worth, there's an 8, that's a 9, right? 9, 9, 8, 8, 9, 9. So we have some 8s and some 9s. What do you think we have more of? Do we have more 8s or 9s?
Nines.
All right, but is, so it's 8, and between 8 and 9, correct?
Yeah.
Let's do the division. All right, so can we get a 6 out of 5? No. How about a 6 out of 52?
Yeah.
Okay, how many?
8.
8.
8. And 8 times 6 is 48?
Yep.
Okay, and we subtract and we get how much? 4?
Yes.
So we've got 8 and 4, 6. So in other words, if you look at what we got here, we've got a bunch of 8s, and then how many of the extra ones? There's 1, 2, 3, 4 of these ones that have 1 extra. That's what this 4 is out of 6, right? So what's the mean of this? 8 and
8 and
4,
4,
6.
6.
4,
Equal
6.
to.
Yeah, that's the mean, right? The average. Okay, so if I said, look, basically, what do we expect somebody to be able to do? If you're going to have 10 seconds, how many of these things can you put together? How many blocks can you put together?
Around 8.
4, 6.
8 and 4, 6. So, given the fact that it's either connected or not connected, what do you think? 8 or 9?
8. Well, 9 if you round it up.
9 if you round up, but if you were trying to say how many can you really get connected,
8.
is that
8
connected?
and a half.
So like 8. What's the middle number, the median?
4.
Not 4,
9.
9.
9. Okay, how about the mode? What was the most popular?
10.
10. So there's different ways to look at this. The most popular thing, lots of kids got 10. The middle person got 9. And if we combine all the scores and add them up and divide them, we get between 8 and 9. So looks like maybe 9 is about a good answer, right? Cool.